जैसे फ्लाइट बुक करने से पहले सिर्फ डेस्टिनेशन नहीं, टाइमिंग, लेओवर और लगेज रूल्स भी देखने पड़ते हैं, वैसे ही डेरिवेटिव्स को समझने के लिए सिर्फ नाम या टाइप नहीं, बल्कि उनका एक्चुअल यूज और कॉस्ट भी जानना बहुत जरूरी है. Welcome to the final episode of our derivative series. We have already covered the basics and discussed futures versus options. Now, let's talk about how derivatives are actually used and the costs involved. Real world use cases of derivatives. Derivatives aren't just for experts. They are tools used daily to manage risk, earn returns, and maintain market balance. Hedging. This means protecting against potential losses. For instance, an Indian firm importing from the US may buy a currency forward contract to lock in the USD INR rate. That way, they avoid losses if the rupee weakens. Speculation. This is about taking calculated risks to earn profit. A trader expecting oil prices to rise can buy futures instead of physical oil. If prices go up, they profit. If not, they lose. It's high risk, high reward. Arbitrage. This is spotting price differences in the same asset across markets. When the same stock is priced differently on NSE and BSE, traders use derivatives to buy low, sell high, and earn a small low risk profit. Profitability and costs involved. Let's break down what really impact returns. In futures, you don't pay full amount, just a margin, but this comes with daily mark-to-market settlements which can lead to sudden losses. In options, you pay a premium upfront. If the market moves in your favor, you profit. If not, you only lose the premium. There is also time decay as expiry nears. The options loses value fast. Hidden costs. Brokerage fees, taxes, STT, that is securities transaction tax, and slippage. These can eat into profits. Always factor these in. So now we have understood everything about derivatives, what they are, how they work, and how they are used in the real world. But just like any other investment tool, success here also depends on strategy, discipline, and continuous learning. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow Yes Securities for more financial content. And tell us in the comments what topic we should cover in our next series.
Investment in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.